up, YouTube? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And you guys know what this video is. You know the vibes, man. I'm giving away the 12 drop front containers for the 1,000 subscribers that we hit before the end of 2020, man. I posted the rules for it on January 1st. Today is a week later on January 8th. So now that is enough talking about it. Let's get into it. Also, if I'm not in the front of my screen, though, it is because I have my iPad right here. That's what I'm doing the giveaway on. That's how I'm drawing names with the what's it called, name wheel or wheel name, wheelofnames.com. The hell is this website called? I got it from somebody who does giveaways. Yeah, wheelofnames.com. So I put all of your guys' names in there. I'm going to start my screen record right now. 3, 2, 1, bang. You can see the screen record right up there right now. You guys can see I have all of you that entered, 22 people. There we go. There's everyone that entered. If I miss anybody, let me know, but I'm pretty sure I got all of you. And if I miss you, then I'll pull the names again. But here we go, man. We are going to shuffle 1, 2, 3 times right there. And here we go. Spin the wheel. I should have made it full screen, but it is what it is. We'll just go right here with it. And the winner is... Hey, the Wise Soul. Hey, the Wise Soul, man. Shout out to you. Everybody go follow the Wise Soul on Instagram and go subscribe to his YouTube channel, man. Another dude that's been grinding on YouTube in the sneaker YouTube game. A dude that I talk to a good amount on Instagram. I'm pretty sure a lot of you that follow me also follow him, but just make sure you go give that man a shout out. Wise Soul, shout out to you, man. I'm gonna hit you up on Instagram. We'll get your information and everything to send these drop fronts out to you. But yeah, man, huge shout out to you, man. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel and followed the Instagram as well. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. There may be more giveaways to come later on down the line. Also, make sure that you smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel, all of that stuff. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, polls, stories, questions, all of that fun stuff, man. But thank you guys so much. One more time, shout out to the Wise Soul, man. Congratulations. I'm gonna hit you up right after I publish this video. I don't want to hit you up before it and let you know, and then people do, oh, you cheat, whatever. So right after I publish this video on YouTube, I'm gonna hit you up and we'll talk about getting these boxes sent your way, man. Thank you again. To everybody, more to come. Let's have a great 2021. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.